How are them here? How are them here? Me don't know how are them here. How are them here? Why they look good? How are them here? How are them here? They look good, man. Jesus, they look good. How are them here? Share, subscribe, guys, like, share. Welcome guys, welcome. Welcome to Brother My Cooking. And guys, remember, like, share, subscribe and thumbs up. Yeah man, so see me out there. And the cool breeze, tree nice and everything like that. You don't know if you're in a 40, but you don't know. Yeah man. So guys, today I do a little nice simple recipe. Not too complicated. You might change about being creative, come up with ideas, and let food come to our life. So, right banana. Now buy it doing, I broke the banana. So don't think funny. Banana good for you too, guys, good for you. Yeah. Can see me have egg, oil, seasoning them. Cheese, onion, tomato. And then a grape, so I want to do something with it. So I'll be creative today. So we can make something with it, so that may have there. When I'm done, so make sure I'm down. I'm going to start my thing now, yeah? So, the first thing, guys, onion. You can drill on them. You can dice it what you want to dice it. Right here, we got green pepper, green sea pepper. Drill on them again too. It's Italian colored. You might. Yeah. Already done here too. Nice to eat there. Now it's all I do. Inside. Sweet pepper. Lot of colors, guys. Lot of colors. New ideas, that what will come to life. Guys, remember this banana? Yeah. We say creative now, guys. We say creative, so banana. So I got this one. Okay. Mary gonna enjoy, yeah? Yeah guys, so what I do? Break egg. 1, 2. What you can do guys, you can also break it inside a separate bowl just to make sure them, just in case one spoil. But me, I risk it. I like it now, come on, so okay, get it. Yeah? You know. Whisk. And guys. Okay guys. Put this aside. First thing we do. Pita bread. Pita bread, Greek bread. Everyone call it. You find it in any food store. Any food store guys. Nice and soft. Huh? Nice and soft guys, you know. So I'm going now guys. I go the stove got first thing we have to do, you have to make sure these roti kind of warm up first. I get a little sear on them before we put the ingredient in there. So first thing, we are ready. We now put the oil up. I put like this. Can make them warm. Prepare next side. I say guys. So now guys, add my oil. Guys, it's so windy outside. I don't watch it, I'm not stopping. All the ingredients go inside. And guys, rub my hand and clean. Rub my hand. My kitchen guys. Remember guys, they cut thin, so you don't want them to burn. Look at that guys. Now guys, time to add my peppers, onions, tomatoes. Guys, and I want to share to you guys, as I said, thinking about being creative, coming up with new idea, let food come in life. So no wrong doing in my kitchen, yeah? That may I tell you. That may I tell you. So I'll buy banana and egg and something together. That's the basis of my teach you something. And soon as these get translucent guys, al dente, not too soft, not too fried, or whatever guys. You don't matter about already. Then we're gonna add our egg inside. You want to have that crunch when you're eating this nice, amazing recipe. Look at that guys, nice. Guys, we're going to scramble this. We're not going to make omelette. guys. Are we so creative? Soon as it dry it out, guys, and it fried up to how you want it. What I want to do now, guys, I'll add my cheese. I'll leave back a little bit. I'm going to put all. Look at that, guys. Nice. Yeah, guys, that's what I want it now, guys. Look at it. Peppers, everything inside look colorful and nice. You don't want it to dry. You want that moisture into it, guys. Look at it. Okay, guys. So, done. Come out now. Nice bun right here. Roti them and them. Keep on some roti. Really bread. Inside like this. Like this, guys. Then like that. Look at that, guys. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Looks so nice, you guys. I tell you, Bradley's kitchen, guys, is about being creative. Guys, I said this will look amazing. I don't know what to say. Mr. Guy, I don't know what to say when I say it's amazing. I don't know what to say. Yeah, man. So, guys, I'm going to tell you, in the kitchen, it can be creative sometimes. You understand? Come with one idea. I'm just going to shot. Once it's not price, guys, the food, you can't go wrong. Mix it up sometime. How are them here? How are them here? I don't know how are them here. How are them here? Why they look good? How are them here? How are them here? They look good, man. Jesus, they look good. How are them here? Whoa, how are them here? Yeah, people, and you have it. Nice, amazing. What do you call it, guys? What do you call it? Eh? What do you call it? You still know what I call it, but guess what? The pita bread stuffing with egg, all ingredients, scrambled with cheese on top. You can call it pita stuffing, flatbread pita, whatever you want to call it, guys. I don't know what I call it, but what I tell you, I will make it. Don't worry, but it's a very amazing recipe. I just was thinking about this stuff was in the fridge. I was just trying to being creative. I said what I can do to make this come to life. So this was the idea that I come with. And it turned out great for me. I don't know about you guys, but it turned great for me. And I hope you guys can try this. I hope you guys enjoy it. So it's Greek bread with egg, scrambled egg on top with cheese, and all those nice ingredients with the ideas also. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up, and come back again and again and again. And more beans video like this. I'll come out. Enjoy the wind breeze now. Yeah, so. Wait a minute. I check, you know, I check.